Hello friends, good day to you all. I welcome you all to this channel today. In this video I will be showing you how to earn free $300, how to get free $300, free trading robots, free activation, free withdrawal charge. So all this is what I will be analyzing in today's video, and I will show you how to start making money online with no capital. Because of the financial implication, or in our contemporary days, there is need for you to have multiple source of income, and some of the constraints is that many don't have the information on how to start, and they don't have enough capital. But in this video I will be showing you that you can earn $300 free of charge. You can make $300 free of charge, and also I will show you how you can get this free trading robot, and also there is free activation for it, and then you can also withdraw free of charge without any withdrawal fee. Okay, so this is what I will be sharing with you in today's video. But before I do that, I welcome you to this channel. This is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. This channel is about financial education, so here to give you financial education at its peak. If you're new on this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware or notified of the next update. So this is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. So then you can browse through the channel for my educational content that I've made in the past. So they are very educative, and they are all for financial education and not for financial advice. So there are so many videos that I've done on how you can earn something online for yourself, on how you can be financially free, secured and settled. So just browse through the channel, and if you like any of my videos, then try as much as possible to give me thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And I also like to tell you that this channel, if you are new here, you need to subscribe. It's very important for you to be continually aware of the next updates. You need to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of the updates that you are about to get here. So once again, what we are doing today is how you can earn free $300. Then I will be showing you get the free trading robot, the how you can trade with it, and then how you can grow with it is what I'll be sharing with you. So let's take you to the channel, to the platform rather. So this is Delta E. So this is Delta E. So I will be sending you the description in the description button, description box of this video. I'm going to send the link there. I will drop the link there and everything that is needed for you to register. So now you just need to register on that site called radicalizedbtc.com. So it's Delta E. So now when you have successfully registered, you are going to input a particular invitation code there. I also drop the invitation code in the description box of this video so that you can get that 300 USDT, that is $300, so that you won't. So if you don't put that invitation code, you are not going to get the $300. So the next thing for you to do is that just after you have successfully registered on this site, radicalizedbtc.com, then you now click on the quantization here, that is the down button here. Let me show you. So you click on the quantization button here. So we can see that the arrow points to it now, the quantization button. You click on it. So after you have clicked on it, then you are going to activate your robot. You are going to activate your robot. So you will be given 300 USDT. It is free of charge. You'll be given 300 USDT, and when you have click on it, so you are going to click on create robot. So when you click on the create robot, then here in the balance section, you are going to click on create robot. Where after you have clicked on the create robot, then you go to the quantization. So when you have in the quantization part, so you are going to fill in that your 300 USDT. you are going to activate that robot with the free 300 USDT that you have been given. So just go to the quantization part and input that 300 USDT that you have been given. Then you start to trade with the robot. So, and in every week, you'll be getting approximately $7 USDT. That is what you are going to be earning every week. So, and this $7, it is withdrawable. You can withdraw it to your external wallet, that is to your USDT wallet address. You can withdraw it, and there is no withdrawal charge. So this is an opportunity you can't afford to lose. So, and you are not asked to pay anything for this. So, and you can also earn more. How can you earn more? Is that you can share this opportunity. You can share your own invitation code to your friends, and by so doing, you can also earn $100 for sharing this opportunity with them. You can say that the robot is free of charge. You have free trading capital there, and there is no withdrawal charge, provided you made the minimum withdrawal, which is $7 in a week, and you can get this done. It is very, very possible. So you can see my own account now. This is the $300 that I was given. So it is free. So let me show you here. So this is the $300. Then this is the profit that I've made so far here, 3.6371. So that is what I've made. So when I click on the receive profits now, it's going to add up. So it's going to add up to what I've earned so far. So you can see profits claimed 3.63. So that is what I have now. So the name of the platform is Delta Eid. So you just need to go down to the description box of this video, then click on this link, run through the registration processes, and input the invitation code that I will send to you. That is the invitation code that will be in the description box of this video. Just input it, then start trading with the robot and with the free USDT, that is 300 USDT that you have been given. So that is how it goes. You have nothing to lose for this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, this is LASOJENIC BIZZTALK. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware of the next update. Okay, if you don't forget to subscribe, forget to share this video with your friends, for them also to be a partaker of the information that you need for financial education. Alright, till the next video, have a wonderful day, and bye for now.